Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in into the Koodo account. Now to do that, you need to first open the browser. I'm going to show you this process of logging into the Google account on your PC. You can have the mobile application where you can easily log in just by providing account details. So I'll show you how you can log in into the PC. Click open a browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in www.koodomobile.com/user and press enter. This will directly open the page where you can easily log in into the account of yours. So what you need to do is provide the username over here, and then you provide the password, and then click on login. Once you click on login, you will be easily logged in into the account of yours. This is a simple way of logging in into the account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.